Okay, so I'm here in my 2019-2020 classroom, and I am going to just do a quick view around the room, and then I will come back and go through everything that's in my classroom. Okay, so here is my technology cabinet, and I think it's locked, so I'm not gonna bother opening it up. But basically, it's nothing in there but excuse me, some Chromebooks for my kiddos to use. This is my science word wall and my data wall. Let me back up so you can see it. My science word wall and data wall that I'll be using. This is nothing but closets. Nothing in here, but this is for my kiddos to put their jackets. I have a sink here, and I am missing one decorative item to put there. I'm a Zeta, so I have to have some kind of blue in here because I have so much red in my room with school colors that I just felt some blue needed to be in the house somewhere. So this is my little coffee bar, and I have my coffees. I have to have my coffee every day. And so in my class, I teach the 7 habits of highly effective scholars. So this year, instead of putting it where last year used to be where the science word wall is, and this year it is on the cabinets. So in this cabinet, there's nothing. Some things that need to come out of there, and a clock. I think on this side, this needs to be hung in that area where it's a live laugh. Okay, I lost my camera. I think I accidentally cut it off. But anyway, this sign needs to be hung up in that area by the sink. And I'm out of command strips, so I have to go back and order some and bring some. Okay, so in this closet is just supplies, paper, comp books, folders, you know, things that we'll need for class. And this is my positive attitude and manager poster. When school starts, we'll put little sticks in there. The kiddies will write their names on them. This is my clip chart, multiplication chart, and you never fail unless you stop trying. In this cabinet is kind of my supply area, and then on this side I have my manipulatives that I use at my small group table. And then up here is like manila paper, construction paper. I actually took that off my list this year because I don't need any more construction paper in here. So that has been taken off my list. This is my VIP table. And so here, my kiddies, they get to use the smelly markers, the big erasers, the cute pencils, and then there's even a lamp that they can turn on and use. So these are just manipulatives, and this is where their binders will go. And then here is just some math manipulatives that I keep on that shelf. Our math books that we use. I have 2 sets of books, curriculum books. I have 2 classes, so this will be bins for the PM, and then this will be bins for the AM class. Here's just another kind of flexible seating that my kids can get passes to get to go in that area. And this is new. This year I have a library, so they will have a lot of times where they can come to the library. And this is a math and science library. So I have tons of science books. I think the science books are on this side, and then the math books are on this side, and I'm getting a knock at my door. So hold up. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had a parent that came in, so I had to stop for a little bit and talk to her. So I'm back with the tour. And so this is just some seating in the library. So this is a view of the library area. And then over here is my reflection sheet bin and table, where if a student needs to think about some things, we have them fill that out and take it home to sign. Have mom sign it. And then this is my board where all of my information is on a daily basis for my scholars. And then we have the push lights, which I believe I need to change the batteries in a couple of them. Let's see. Nope, that one needs batteries. That one is good. Oh, that one needs batteries. This one is good. Okay, so I do know that I need to go in and change batteries on a couple of those push lights before Tuesday comes. This is my class rules, and of course I have Genius in the periodic table, Genius spelled out, because that is the theme of my classroom. And then on this side, well, here's my Promethean board. And then here, which this chair shouldn't be here, but it'll go to my small group table. But I just, I wanted to have it out the way because I'll be showing some things on the Promethean. This is my mailbox area. And in these little slots, I just keep copies ready for the week. Like if you look in closer, you'll see that they're labeled Monday through Friday. They don't come to school Monday. I already have Tuesday's homework ready, and then Friday's quiz already ready to go. And then this is my personal mailbox, pointers. And then this is another mailbox for me. But this mailbox is a little different because it's for, like if they have something to tell me anonymously. As a matter of fact, it needs to be turned that way. And no one is allowed to touch my mailbox except for me. No one is allowed to pull things out. So I guess kind of why I have it by my desk. And so here is the behavior expectations board that we're going to start on Tuesday. This probably won't stay in this area because it's blocking. And then my math word wall will be here. And then on this wall is where, if you notice that I kept it totally blank because I want to be able to put anchor charts on this wall. It'd be like a wall of reference for my scholars. So it will be like a wall of reference for my scholars. So I have nothing here on this wall except for my focal point, which is the Albert Einstein vinyl. And then this is my desk, my only little area, which I'll probably never be at because I'll always be at the small group table, which is here. So this is my small group table where I will work with my scholars. And then these are my groups of desk. And soon I will start putting out their name badges. I'll probably do that on Monday. I haven't made my copies that I need for Monday yet, so that's why that's not done. So here are my desk. And then I think I skipped this is my Chromebook cart, charger cart. And then here are cubbies, but I never use these. Maybe this year, I don't know, but last year we didn't use them, and I don't allow kids to keep things inside the desk. They only can just keep everything in their backpack with the exception of the items that they need. So this is the view from the back of my classroom, looking towards the front. And there's where all of my anchor charts will be on the wall. I left that wall blank on purpose because there will be lots of anchor charts there. And then I'll walk to the front and give you a view from the front. Okay, so I'm at the front of the classroom, and this is my view from the front. So that's going to conclude my room tour this year for 2019-2020. School starts on Tuesday, so we are counting down to start date. And that's all I have. I will do another recording, I believe, on Tuesday, which will be the first day of school. Until then, if you want to keep up with Fun in Third, please like this video and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon, and I hope you enjoy my tour.